Hey everyone, welcome back to Beginner's Code. I am Yashodhan and today we have an exciting project lined up for you. We will be creating a clock app using MIT App Inventor. This simple and fun project is perfect for beginners who want to dive into the world of app development. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functioning clock app that updates in real time. So grab your computer and let's get started with this hands-on tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more coding projects and tutorials. Let's jump right in. So let's create our new project in MIT App Inventor. Let's name it as Clock App. So here we have created a blank project. Here you can see. Let's remove the first this title screen. One title we will first remove. In the properties we will remove the title visible. So first we will add one image and one heading to tell app name and date and time and we will add one component which will be in the sensors, that is clock. First let's rename it as clock app. Here clock app like this. Let's check. And we will increase the font size to 20 pixels and first we will make it center everything like this. Here we will add one image. Let's upload it from our file. Here I have uploaded one clock image that will appear here, but the problem is that it is coming out of the screen. Let's adjust its height and width. Let's check 50% and width also 50%. No, little bit. Here we should write %. Now it is looking nice. Let's little bit reduce this size. T5. Let's see. More we can do. Now it is okay. Now let's first edit this little bit. Font type will go to this one. I will choose. You can choose your font type and the text. Here we'll increase this label size also to. Here will be the date, so we will make it 18 and the time should be bigger, so I will make it 22. Nice. Let's erase this one and also this one. Now here is the nice interface. We can change its background also, but now it will be white only. It will look nice. Let's go now to the block section and first we will call the clock one like this. And first we want here we want the date on label number 2. Here it is. So in blocks we will call label number 2 like this and we will make it into text. Now we will go to the text block and add here join element and we will add one more string here like this. Now we will call the clock to write the week name, means it is Saturday, Sunday or Monday. It will be here. Let's call it here. And one more component we should add, that will be in the middle. Let's scroll down here. That will be call clock one dot now. This we will add here, so it will write it is Sunday or it is Monday. Why I have added one more string here, so that we can give a little bit of space like this. And here now we want the date, so let's call again the clock. Here we will add format date time. Let's find it. Here it will be format date time. Here we'll put this here, and first we will remove this HHMM. It is the hours, minutes, so we don't want that. We want only month, date and that. Let's cut it from here and done. And we will again copy this one. Let's duplicate this call dot component and we'll paste it here. Now it is about label 2. Now we want to represent the time, so we will go to label 3. Again same, we'll call. Here we'll make text color to text, and now we will duplicate the same one. Let's duplicate. Instead of writing here month, date, here we'll paste here hour, minutes, seconds and seconds. So now it is ready. Let's check. And one more thing we can do is here, that here text color we can change like this. We will color text color, and we can make here any color we want, like black or that, but I don't want, so you can optional it is. Here you can see everyone, our clock is working very nice. It is showing Saturday and it is showing today's date. It is absolutely correct, and the time is also correct. So you can also make like this app using MIT App Inventor. Thanks for joining me on this app building journey. I hope you had a fun creating your clock app with MIT App Inventor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Beginner's Code, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with more coding tutorials and projects. As always, leave your question and feedback in the comments below. Happy coding and see you in the next video.